invoice screen, okay, we have some users requested us to build a feature where we don't want to do PO, we don't want to do item receipt. We will do just purchase invoice, and system should automatically make two things. One is payable, other thing is as well as the goods receiving. So that feature has been built. In purchase invoice screen, you have create new. Click on create new. The same procedure where you will create your invoice directly. Okay. You can fill the respective information in the purchase invoice screen. Okay, you can select the supplier here. Whichever supplier you want to select. I'm selecting one supplier, let's say XYZ. Okay, there is no PO because I don't want to make any PO. I want to enter the supplier reference number. Okay, reference number 123. What is the date? Everything is entered, and then you have entered the VAT. Okay, then you have added the items. You can add the items by using quick add items. You know the item code or the name. You can just type the item code. Okay, system will add by here. Okay, and then if you want to add any other item, you can add even using the bulk select. This is called as bulk select. If you want to add the items, you can click on bulk select and filter by the name or code or anything you prefer that you already know about it. Okay, so let's say I'm adding this item. Add and close. So now, right now we have not made any item receipt nor the PO. Okay, so from this same screen, you want to purchase, let's say this quantity you want to purchase around 5 pieces and this one around 8 pieces. Respective prices can be entered. Okay, and you just need to click add stock yes. So once you click add stock yes, system will ask you for the location. Which location you want to enter this, because from here itself system is making the respective item receipt directly. So this transaction, you can do two things now. You can record your payables as well as you are receiving the inventory. So single transaction, multiple things are done. Okay, so now you just click on add. Okay, sorry, I think this is a foreign vendor, so we have to select VAT not applicable or VAT 0. Click add. Now system has going to create two transactions for it internally. One is the payable, okay, and other is receiving the stock. You can see if you go every transaction screen, wherever there is a financial impact or inventory movement impact, they have a report section. In this report section, you can expand it and you can see the ledger posting now. Okay, you can see that the debit of the items have been happened. Okay, purchase and the payable. And now you can move to the stock to see the stock movement report, whether the stock has increased or not. You have a stock movement report. To check that one, there is a stock movement report. You can check for this item code, or you can take by this code or by the name. You can go to the stock movement report and you can just filter by the code. And you will be able to see that the recent invoice has been made, today's date, okay? And system has automatically made the item receipt for this one. You can see the memo also, auto created from purchase invoice. This is the item. This is the 5 pieces with unit cost is this much. So this is how you will be able to make two transactions in a single screen from purchase invoice.